Good morning, kids. It's me, Teacher John Ryan Zapatalo, your Science 1 teacher. And today's lesson, we're going to learn about the difference between the daytime star and nighttime star. But before we start, let's read the vocabulary. Number 1, different. Different. Number 2, morning star. Morning star. Number 3, evening star. Evening star. All right. Now, stars. Stars. As you can see, this is a star. Yes, those dots shining up in the sky. Now, the difference between the morning star and evening star. Today, let's learn about the star. The morning star is the sun. Yes, because the sun rises during daytime. And you can only see the sun during the daytime because the sun only appears in the daytime. And also Venus called the morning star. When Venus is on the other side of the sun, it leads the sun as it travels across the sky. Look at that. I am the bright morning star. Yes, the Venus is the morning star. Venus will rise in the morning a few hours before the sun. As you can see in the picture, before the sunrise, the Venus will rise in the morning in a few hours. Then, as the sun rises in the sky, brighten and Venus fades away in the daytime sky. This is Venus the morning star. Yes, this star will fade away in the daytime sky after a few minutes. When the sun rises. And in the nighttime, yes, you can see a lot of stars up in the sky. Look at that. And they're shining so brightly. And there are many colors of them. Look at that. Is it beautiful? Yes, of course. There's a lot of colors of the stars up in the sky during nighttime. And also the size of the star. Yes, from a small star to the biggest stars in the universe. And different constellations. Look at that. You can only see that one during nighttime. And there are many constellations of the stars up in the sky during nighttime. And it's very beautiful to see. Astronomers estimate that there are about 100,000 million stars in the Milky Way alone. Yes, 100,000 million stars in a Milky Way. Look at that. And it's shining above the sky. How many stars in the universe? There are approximately 200 billion trillion stars in the universe. Oh my god. And there's a lot of them. Look at that. Yes. And you can only see them during nighttime. Even in the daytime, yes, all the stars in the sky are there, still shining. But you cannot see them because of the sunlight cover the sky. Yes. Now, the difference is you can only see the morning star during the daytime, and you can only see the evening star during the nighttime. Alright, and now I will play a short video clip and then you listen. Alright? Okay, buckle up, kids. Here we go.
What are stars and constellations? Hi guys! Look what a starry sky we've got today. Have you ever wondered what the stars are? They seem to be small, cold, and bright dots. But in fact, they are huge, hot balls. Stars are shining because of the constant burning process that's going on inside of them. As a result of this burning, an enormous amount of light and heat is thrown into space. We see stars as tiny dots only because they are so far away from us. In order to get to even the closest star, not counting the sun, we would have to fly for more than 100,000 years. Stars differ in size, brightness, and color. Also, the stars can vary in temperature. Blue stars seem to be cold, but in fact they are the hottest ones, with a temperature of more than 30,000 degrees Celsius. White stars are a little cooler. Their temperature is more than 7,000 degrees. Yellow stars have a temperature of 5 to 6,000 degrees. Orange stars more than 3,500 degrees. Finally, the coldest stars are the red ones. Their temperature is more than 2,000 degrees. Do you know which star is closest to Earth? Of course, this is our Sun. The Sun is a yellow star, and its temperature is about 6,000 degrees. And this is how the Sun looks in comparison to some other larger stars. Sirius, Vega, Pollux, Arcturus, Aldebaran, Rigel, Antares, Betelgeuse. In ancient times, while observing stars, people grouped them into patterns called constellations. These constellations form a star map. Since the Earth rotates around its axis, the stars seem to move across the sky. It is actually the Earth which is moving. See? Only one star remains in its place all the time. This is the Polaris, or North Star. It is located directly above the North Pole. Earth's axis points directly toward the Polaris. Therefore, the Polaris indicates the direction due north. Let's locate the North Star in some constellations. The Big Dipper is a part of the constellation of Great Bear. Usually you can easily find it in the sky. If you connect the two extreme stars of the Big Dipper and then continue this line up to a bright star, you will find the Polaris. It's right on the edge of the handle of the Little Dipper, part of the Little Bear constellation. You can try to find some other constellations in the sky. This is Orion. It is easily recognizable by its belt made up of 3 stars. Cassiopeia. It looks like a letter W. Look, a shooting star! Of course, this is not actually a star, but a meteor. A meteor is a small fragment of an asteroid or comet that burns in the Earth's atmosphere. Real stars, of course, cannot fall down. Well, we've seen lots of interesting things in the night sky, and now it's time to say goodbye. See you later!
Now, time for our activity. All right, are you ready? Okay. Now, write your name, section, and followed by the number. Fill the box below and color. Okay, so all you need to do is to write your answer here, in the small box below the picture here. And all the answers are in the big box here, right? Okay, so we have cloud, blue sky, star, night sky, sun, moon. Now, question. During the day, I can see. What you can see during the day? Okay, so name the picture here, right here in the box below. All right, and then the second question. At night, I can see what you can see during nighttime. Yes, moon, star, and night sky. And then during the day, clouds, sun, blue sky. Okay, it's very easy. All right, and that's it for today. Thank you, class. Bye bye. See you next meeting.